Look.
And this is how you put it on.
This, I don't know why this is not coming off. Holy
It's
God.
like retarded.
You tighten this shit on.
I didn't say nothing.
Okay, this is the receipt.
You rigged it. You rigged it before I bought it.
This is your contract with us. Okay.
Julio, do me a favor.
Don't put this one on here.
You want to have the cheap one?
Yeah.
You're mean.
I'm not mean.
Yeah, you are. You're a mean brother. You're an evil brother.
He gets anything he wants, so he can.
What is my cycling bill will start?
He
Next
got.
month, same
He's
day?
so
Yes, next month, I believe.
spoiled. My parents took my iPad away and gave it to him.
That's fucked up.
Tell me about it.
Kick his ass.
Okay.
Little teeth
That's
one.
fine, my phone.
That's you know that's this is bigger than this one.
Everything, right?
Yeah, right.
Alright.
Whatever.
And this way
Yeah,
you
it
can
is.
put it in the bag, it's no problem.
Julio,
That's mine, right?
No,
yours.
this is my.
The teeth won't come off.
Okay, you got everything?
can you take off that
Thank you, I
apple?
appreciate that.
No problem. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.
too. I come back and give me like a couple more weeks, you know.
No problem.
They have stickers, that's
But
what
save me a
he
nice
wants.
one. You got my phone number. Save me
He
a nice.
wants
If you got a nice
this
phone, please
analog.
save it for me.
No problem. Cool.
You got my
No,
phone
he
number.
wants
I
this
got your
one.
phone number
Thank
here.
you.
Okay, take
He
care.
wants this
Good
one.
night.
I'm gonna take one of your
Who
cards.
wants this one on
Sure.
it?
Thanks.
Thank
There's
you.
something wrong with this analog, right?
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
No, the analog itself.
Yeah, that was the one.
Isn't it? Is the analog broken? Like it doesn't go down? It seems like it doesn't go
Put your
down.
print down.
It does go down. Maybe take it out of the plastic.
Julio, the thing doesn't. It didn't come with sticky.
Good.
Sticky.
Yes.